Hi, today I'm reviewing the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon page, or click on the Amazon link below. So CeraVe has recently come out with a few new products and kind of revamping a few other ones, but they've come out with a couple new acne products, and their acne foaming cleanser is one to check out. So CeraVe calls this a foaming creamy cleanser with 3 essential ceramides. Cleanses and helps clear acne while leaving skin feeling soft and comfortable. This gentle yet effective face cleanser instantly dissolves dirt and oil without stripping skin of its natural moisture, helping to maintain the protective skin barrier. Skin will look and feel smoother and more clarified. I kind of disagree with a little bit in there, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So on to my first criteria, which is packaging. Done a very nice job. Comes in a squeeze bottle, although it does come in a giant cardboard container, which I think I've recycled already. But overall, very effective packaging. I like cleansers that are packaged like this or with a pump. But pumps are just easier, but this is effective. So if you travel, you can travel with it. Although at 5 ounces, I almost said the CIA is going to take it. TSA is going to take it if you carry it on. FYI. I had that happen once. Oh, it's devastating. But anyway. Okay, on to my second criteria, which is alcohol. This does not contain any denatured or drying types of alcohol. It does contain the good fatty alcohol, Cetearyl alcohol, so no issues at all with that. Fragrance. There's fragrance-free, no noticeable scent at all, so no issues at all again with that. The manufacturing location for this is the U.S. Again, no issues with that. So ease of use. So CeraVe recommends using this morning and evening. I disagree with that, especially if you have skin that tends to be on the drier side. And I also recommend starting out slowly. Personally, I recommend using this one more in the evening because it can leave your skin a little dry. And if you use in the evening, then your skin has all night to soak in some good moisture, some good lotions and things like that. And then start out using it maybe every other evening and work your way up to where you can maybe use it every evening as long as your skin doesn't get overly dry. Personally, I think using this morning and evening every single day could be too much for most people. Probably not everybody, but just start out slow. Like you would if you were new to a retinol. Start out slow because too much can really dry out your skin. So the fact that CeraVe recommends using this every morning and evening, I think work up to maybe every evening and then you're good. And then use something different in the morning just to prevent your skin from getting overly dry. And once your skin gets overly dry, your skin can produce more oil to kind of counteract that, which can make issues worse and overreact. So you don't want dry, flaky skin because it can go downhill quickly. So, but ease of use, pretty good. Be very gentle around your eyes with using this. Use a separate eye makeup remover so you really don't have to scrub too much around your eyes because it can really, the 4% benzoyl peroxide can dry out your sensitive eye area more. So very easy to use, but I disagree with their instructions. I respectfully disagree. Okay. So in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, the main feature ingredient is benzoyl peroxide. It's one of the most researched and effective ingredients for treating acne. Benzoyl peroxide can be absorbed in the pores and kills acne-causing bacteria. Although the most effective products are going to be ones that are leave-on, no-rinse products and treatments. Although sometimes when acne is very stubborn, adding a benzoyl peroxide wash can help. So it features that 4%, which is not a low amount. Then we also have ceramides. They help with the healthy skin barrier and keep skin hydrated. Niacinamide, also a great ingredient to look if you have acne-prone skin. An antioxidant that helps brighten skin, prevent breakouts, and helps to heal past breakouts. Sodium hyaluronate, a good hydrating ingredient. I would like to see a bit more of those beneficial ingredients and antioxidants, although it's a rinse-off product, so for the most part, it really only has a few seconds to really take effect on your skin. So, again, spend more money on a leave-on treatment than you spend on a cleanser. So if you're on a budget, the less you spend on a cleanser and more on leave-on treatment products. But overall, I probably would like to see a little bit more beneficial ingredients, but overall, it's still a good formula. Okay, on to my 7th criteria, which is animal testing, and CeraVe is technically not cruelty-free, although I research it every time I review CeraVe because they're moving towards being closer to it. So, okay, in terms of performance, if you tend to have drier skin, this might be something to only use occasionally, perhaps a couple nights a week or every other night, just because it can be drying. CeraVe claims that this leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated, but it does feel kind of drying, which is also why I recommend using it at night, because you can follow up with a good hydrating antioxidant serum. For those with persistent acne, adding something like this into your routine can absolutely help, but it probably won't help more than integrating a leave-on benzoyl peroxide treatment into your routine. That's probably something to start with first, and then if that helps but not fully, then adding a cleanser might be the last step you need. So, performs nicely, but can be drying. Okay, on to my 9th criteria, which is price. So this is the full size, which is 5 ounces, and it retails for $15, and a little bit goes a long way, so it's a pretty good deal for a cleanser overall. And then in terms of the it factor, it's a decent benzoyl peroxide cleanser, nothing totally revolutionary or new. I found some salicylic acid cleansers to be a little bit more gentle and less drying for the skin, so it might be worth trying one of those first, especially if you have drier skin. And this probably cannot replace the need for a leave-on product or treatment. So it's got a lot of good things going for it, but not the end-all be-all for treatment and cleansers and things like that. So overall, I gave this an 8 out of 10 on the Cera score scale, which is still pretty good. So I'm interested if you guys have had a chance to try this out, or if you have a favorite benzoyl peroxide cleanser, what it is, and what you like about it. So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow, and thank you guys so much.